Hi guys, welcome back to How to Doctor. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to change screen timeout in laptop and PC. Let's start this tutorial by opening the control panel. Click on the search bar below and type control panel. Open the system app and in here, look for the hardware and sound option and click it. Next, click on the power options. Once you're on the power options section, on the left side, click the Choose when to turn off the display option. Now you can simply adjust the display timeout to your liking. You can set it to never, and it won't turn off your display even if you're not using it. You can also adjust the time in this option, and then put the computer to sleep to whatever you like. Once done with that, then click on the Save Changes, and that's basically it. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions, drop them below. Thank you so much!